Hi guys, welcome back. And you all are going to be my guests today. We're having dinner and I'm in the midst of cooking. I didn't finish yet, but I'm going to be setting up my buffet and getting ready because you will be here in about an hour and a half. So I have to get started and welcome. I've already set up my Crockpot Hookups, which are 3 different units, and I'm going to heat up the food. So when you come, you'll be able to enjoy nice warm food out of these 1, 2, 3, 4 different units that I have hooked up here. I have several cabinets, so I had to go through them and find all of my cookware and dishes that I can put the food in so it's nice and warm and presentable when you come. And I found that I do have a lot. Some of my servingware was found at the Salvation Army, Burlington, all of our favorite places. That's where it came from. But I don't have time to talk to you right now. I need to finish up. I know that cornbread dressing is one of your favorites, so I took the time to cut up those onions and peppers and celery, just the way you like it. The yams are from a neighbor's yard. They were full of dirt, but I cleaned them up and they should be so yummy. Oh my, I need to stir the kale. They're lanced with hog mogs, and the dressing needs to come out of the oven. Everything's just happening at the same time. But I know you'll understand. I didn't even get a chance to make our peas and rice or even bake the turkey. But come on anyway, and we'll have a nice time. Guys, that was so much fun. Thank you for allowing me to just enjoy this simple Southern moment. Please consider joining my channel.